Hi guys, it's your latest news today. Among Nigeria's security forces, these people, they are trying to maintain pressure on terrorist groups, including bandits, kidnappers, and other criminal network in Nigeria. These are authorities who have intensified efforts to restore security across the country. These are ongoing operations, so they are trying to renew concern over the ability of armed groups to exploit forests, rural community, and difficult to reach areas as hideouts and operational corridors. These security agencies, they are increasingly combining military offensives, intelligence gathering. They are combined with police operation and interagency cooperation to disrupt criminal network before they can expand their activities. Recent security development, including this rescue of abducted school children in Oyo State. This still was due to intelligence gathering and cooperation between these various security agencies. And this year, they have highlighted the importance of coordinated operations involving the military, intelligence service, and police. Authorities say their operations led to the rescue of the victims, the arrest of suspects, and the disruption of the network linked to the abduction. In the northeastern part of Nigeria, troops are they are continuing to conduct operation against Boko Haram and Islamic State West Africa Province, commonly known as ISWAP. The military has maintained pressure through patrols moving around vulnerable areas, intelligence-led raids, and operations designed to disrupt terrorist camps, supply routes, and command structures. The federal government said that these operations have eliminated many criminal and terrorist groups. It has neutralized this group and has also arrested or forced to surrender, while several kidnapping victims have also been rescued. The objective of these operations is not only to confront terrorists in direct engagement, but also to weaken their ability to recruit fighters, obtain weapons, collect funds, and maintain network of information. Guys, this security battle is no longer dependent on conventional military engagement. It involves intelligence gathering, and this intelligence gathering has become a crucial part of security operation. The use of intelligence is particularly important in kidnapping cases, where victims may be held in remote forests and criminal groups frequently change locations to avoid detection. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to always stay updated by subscribing, liking, ringing the notification bell, and sharing.